How you doing? The corner's good. Just right here. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's a big one.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, my friend.
Have a good night. Right. There she is. Good old beast of burden. What's up, handsome guy? How you doing, man? Honestly, I feel like shit. It's been a rough day.
We on camera? Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man? We on camera right now?
Well, you know we are.
Can I put some commentary up in this?
Yeah.
This is the craziest white boy I know. He said he's going to Argentina.
We'll see, man.
Look at this. Look at this. He's about to fit all that.
The trick is most of it goes on my body.
On his body, but kids, do not try this at home. This is this bike looked like it belonged in Afghanistan. He has to. It's a military bike. I mean, I don't blame him, man. It looks like it belongs in like Dubai or something in like the middle of the desert.
I think I'm gonna try using these nets.
How much do you think your bike weighs right now?
Right now?
Yeah.
This is probably 60 pounds. Bike probably weighs 450 with a full tank. And then each of these probably weigh 30. So what is that? 110 plus 450, 560.
I'm not a smart man.
I like this brake lever right here. It adds a little bit of a flavor, you know. All right, just so you know, levers are supposed to look like this.
I have a motorcycle, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. This is so they know who is sleeping in the hotel and who is just parked here, which makes me very grateful for all the many, many nights I slept in hotel parking lots in my van, not knowing that I was not supposed to be there. This is Jeremiah. So I forgot something that's pretty important at my parents' house, and I need to get it before I leave the country. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye. Jeremiah here. I am on a motorcycle trip trying to ride from California to Argentina.
This is the craziest white boy I know.
I think San Diego was my last bet. Bye. We are already doing so well. We have forgotten our tank bag, which is like half of my storage or a quarter of my storage. It goes right up on the gas tank in the motorcycle. I forgot that at home because half my stuff was out here waiting for me at the bike and half my stuff was back at home with me. So I got confused and I was super anxious, still am super anxious.
The simplest way to put it, I have problems.
Off to a great start, so I gotta figure out a way to get it to me without delaying my trip by too much. Secondly, we have our motorcycle helmet here, and normally I would have my GoPro right here, which is attached via this little metal piece and a swing arm that holds it out right here. That is how I planned on recording a lot of footage as I rode. I can't find the swing arm. I find the pieces to attach it, I find the little screw, I find all the little pieces that were with it that I touched just a few days ago, and now I can't find the swing arm. I've already checked through my whole suitcase. Oh, this is so much fun. Really no clue. I mean, dude, I don't even have my luggage with me. I somehow left that behind. Super, super appreciate that. Talk to you later. So to recap, we have lost our tank bag, didn't bring our tank bag, which is a quarter of our space. We don't have our GoPro chin mount to be able to actually record audio. And I didn't know where I was going to send it, where it was, if I had to buy a new one. So I just spent the last 2 hours, hour and a half trying to figure that out. And we have this sweet camera angle here. Bet you didn't see that coming. Great start to the trip, but we got to pack up because checkout's in 5 minutes and get on the road because we have a long way to ride today. We're gonna try out this quad lock nonsense that everyone keeps talking about because our Ram Pro Mount broke, and this I don't trust enough. So we're gonna try this bad boy. All right, after some finagling, I think that's how it's supposed to go. And then riding position. This is not bad. Definitely could use some adjustment, but overall not bad. I think I'll tip it back a little bit more. Yeah, I have to tip it back more so it sits more like that. Everything takes longer on a bike.
A few moments later.
When you take your motorcycle safety course, they always tell you
It's just not worth it.
look around your bike before you start riding and do an inspection to make sure you're ready to go. And us sane people, we go, nah, no big deal. What could possibly be wrong? Well, 5 little somethings that are rather important to the functioning of this motorcycle are wrong. Namely, you have 4 bolts right here holding the front axle tight, and then the main axle itself has a bolt on the end. All 4 are loose. 2 of the bolts are missing. The other 2 are hand loose. I can undo them with my own fingers right now. And then the main bolt is loose. That is really, really, really not good. Time to break the tools out.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
I really wanted to stay on top of that mountain, but it was way too cold. I didn't have my tent tarp, like the thing you put on the ground. So all I had was my sleeping bag. It was really windy, really cold. And this is the exact reason why I quit. My first attempt was camping, getting in my sleeping bag at 5:30 when it gets dark, and just staying in the sleeping bag all night till 8 a.m. and being cold and not eating well and being dirty. It burned me out. So here we are in a motel instead. This is what lets somebody make it to Argentina. Oh, oh.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
I spend my days in despair, for in my cold and blue. How will I live without you? How will I live? I took the good with the bad. You're still the best I ever had. Oh, but where did it
All right, we just got breakfast at our friendly neighborhood Walmart, and we have got to fix this axle. So we got to find a Home Depot, and we're gonna eat breakfast, and then we gotta get on the road. Man, it's been a weird few days.